So I am going to interact with this enemy and the battle has started. I'm going to select tutorial and we're going to go through it together. It will be explained with images, text and her pointing her finger around. Yes. Pulling up screenshots. This is the Bleed battle system. Okay, my microphone is in the way. Just wait a moment. Okay. But this is the Bleed battle system. When it begins, you can choose your attack on the right. Selecting slash will make Succour attack her enemy. And then it's the enemy's turn. As the enemy is about to attack, press the same key you used to confirm attack to dodge. A pop-up will appear telling you exactly when. If you press the key too late, Succour will take damage. If you press it quickly enough, she will perform a counter-attack. If you press it too early, the pop-up won't even appear, and Succour will take damage. Is this making sense? I'm going to go with yes. Good, good. Moving on, there are no health bars in this battle system. The damage on Succour is highlighted by the flash that appears when an enemy hurts her. The color green in this shot indicates Succour's level of health. This color is also shown on the attack selection. It goes from green to blue to purple to red, and then it's game over. For the first few battles though, there is no game over or defeat. Does that make sense? I don't ask that, doubting your ability to understand. I ask, doubting my ability to explain. So as you hurt the enemy in battle, they will bleed. Their blood will spill over on Succour and on the floor. And that's how you'll know the enemy is getting hurt and is closer to its death. Battles are bloody, so Succour will wash herself right after. And that's all for the tutorial. I'll leave you with this video. You can see a battle play out in front of you if it helps you understand better. This video with sound will play on loop, and so press the confirm key to turn it off and end this tutorial. I'm going to cut this video right here. And okay, I'll wrap this video by winning this battle. Sound on. And that's it. The blood looks cool on the flowers.